Hello everyone, welcome back to KBK Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hariyali chicken. So let's get started and check out the recipe. First we need to make green paste. So for that take a blender and add in 1 small cup of mint leaves, 1 small cup of coriander leaves, around 7 to 8 cashew nuts, 6 green chilies and 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Now grind it into fine paste without adding any water. Our green paste is done and ready, keep this aside. Next heat a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. Once the oil is heated up, add in the whole spices, around 3 cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf and 1 medium-sized onion sliced and fry them till the onions turns golden brown in color. Next add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell disappears. Next I am going to add half a kilo of chicken with bone and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on high flame. It's been 5 minutes, now let's add in the powdered spices. That is 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and mix all the ingredients well and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Next add in the green paste which we prepared earlier along with little amount of water and adjust the consistency. Next add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt or as per your taste. Cover the lid and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium to low flame till the chicken pieces are nicely cooked and stir in between. It's been 15 minutes, now the chicken pieces are perfectly cooked. Next add in 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and half teaspoon of black pepper powder and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on low flame and then turn off the flame. That's it, our delicious Hariyali chicken is done and ready. Enjoy with chapati, roti, phulka or any kind of Indian flatbread. If you like this video, hit the like button below and for more such videos subscribe to KBK Kitchen. Thank you.